Hey guys, this is our number skills, page 51. All right, we are going to look at number 1. It says, fill in the circle under the number your teacher says. All right, so I want you to fill in the number fill in the circle under the number 51. 51. We're going to see if you're correct. Very good. All right, under the yellow oval, you're going to fill in the circle under the number 37. 37. All right, in the green oval, you're going to fill in the number, the circle under the number 21. 21. Good. All right, under this circle, you're going to fill in the circle under the number 65. 65. Good. All right, under the pink oval, you're going to fill in the circle under the number 35. 35. Good. Under this circle, you're going to fill in the circle under the number 19. 19. Good. All right, so let's look. What time is it? It's something o'clock. It is pointing to the 7. 7 o'clock. Next, the purple clock, it's pointing to 10 o'clock. This one is pointing at the number 4 for 4 o'clock. All right, so here we're going to add 1. So we have 5. We're going to add 1 more. 6, because 5, 6. All right, here we have 2, and we're going to add 1 more. 2, 3. All right, next we have 4, and we're going to add 1 more. 4 plus 1 more equals 5. All right, let's trace the numbers on the back.